Qualcomm booth, and what we're demoing here is the Snapdragon 835 processor, which highlights our ability to capture video. For instance, we captured this video on two 180-degree lenses, and it's showing up here in these fisheye lenses. The Snapdragon 835 processor takes that, stitches it together to give you 360 views, so it's a fully immersive visual experience. In addition to that, it's also a fully immersive audio experience, because not only can you rotate to get different views, you can rotate to get different sounds as well. So this is all being done. We are capturing 60 frames per second using the gigabit LTE connection, streaming in 4K resolution onto several devices simultaneously, all because of the Snapdragon 835 processor.
So this would be happening on the fly, live?
This is all happening in real time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.